Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, head over to YouTube, join our FXStreet channel, and hit the subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter at Mangyako0 and myself at JustAnalysis1. All right, Shiba Boo Boo, how are you doing? It looks very bearish on the daily chart. Everything on this chart screams ideal Ichimoku bearish conditions. But here's the deal. There have been multiple occasions since, we'd have to go back to November 17th. No, sorry, November 23rd. There have been day after day after day after day since November 23rd. There has been ample opportunity for bears to come in and really, put Shiba down, take it to the animal shelter, put it on the table, take care of it, put it out of its misery. But for whatever reason, whoever the owner is of this animal, they just want to prolong its suffering and keep it alive as much as possible. And that is what's going on right now. Shiba is being, whoever the owner is, the vet bill is very expensive because Shiba keeps hanging around, and it's probably going to make a miraculous recovery. They'll make a movie about it, and it'll be bigger than Marley and Me. I don't even know how to remember that movie, but I want to look at it from a point and figure perspective, because this angle we've talked about has, I mean, it's consistently acted as a big stopping point for Shiba. I mean, it has made several attempts to crack above, and it just has not been able to. But it's close. So this bullish angle here, and this is kind of the key thing that Shiba has to, at least on this chart for me. I mean, it could be very ugly, because if it comes down to 37.50, then that's a triple bottom, and the sell entry would be at the break of a triple bottom. It would also confirm a bullish fake out. That would be a capitulation setup. But again, nothing is indicating that there's enough interest to short this thing to death. It's just hovering around. So the 3-box reversal off of this column of O's, or this is a pull pattern. That's what it's called. The entry would be right at 5,000 even. That would confirm support of this trend line. It would put it above that dominant downtrend angle. It would put it above the point of control. That would be, and 5,000 is a good psychological number. That would be the prime level for it to get to, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that? 6 X's. 375. So that would put it up towards 775. That'd be the rough. I guess that hasn't changed either from my past analysis. 775, 7,750. That'd be the target. So from 5,000 to 7,750. That's what that target would be at for me. So downside risks, not very big, but tons of upside potential. And I'm saying that as somebody who thinks Shiba Inu is a stupid cryptocurrency. But I'm a trader, and I'm going to pile on the wagon too, because this is a fantastic setup for the long side. I don't know what you see, Akash.
If you ever see John opening up his Shiba analysis extremely bearish, just know that he's a closet Shiba bull. So give him some space.
It's a very small closet that I live in.
Yeah, and I, unlike John's first part of his analysis, I'm bullish on Shiba, mainly because we've kind of broken above this bear trend line here, and right now it's retesting this resistance level as a support, and this is a confirmation that I've been waiting for. And an added bonus for this is that right now it's in this buy zone here, and exactly around the 70.5 fib here where I would be looking to enter long. But for me, my upside potential, I don't want to risk it, and like, you know, just because I leave a little profit on the table, I don't want to lose a lot. So what I'm going to be doing is taking profits around these levels here, which is 579 or 580, and then 625, mainly because of this particular upswing that we saw here from 29th November to 30th November was a 50% upswing. It collected liquidity above this swing high here, but it failed to do that above these highs. And that's what I'll be looking. As you can see here, that there's a lot of candle bodies that end around 568 and wicks around 580. So that's my first take profit level. And the second one is this support level, which is flipped to resistance. So exactly around here, 625 is where I'll be taking profits. From the current position, this would be a, wow, this is a 50% upswing. And yeah, so that's my bullish outlook
I mean,
for
don't be
Shiba.
conservative with your profit target.
Actually, that was conservative, but when I check it out, it's a 50% upswing, which is not a lot considering SHIB rallied 50% here in just a day.
And by the way, like only in cryptocurrencies, only in the financial world, only in cryptocurrencies could you ever say that
50%
something
is
like a
conservative.
50% is kind of conservative. What's wrong with you? Why aren't you like to the moon? The only
Yeah.
thing that in the financial world that you can look at and say 50% is conservative.
Yeah, and that applies only to like obscure altcoins. Not saying that SHIB is obscure, but if you compare it with Bitcoin and Ethereum, it is kind of obscure and still has a lot of volatility, you know. That comment comes after this massive region of lack of volatility. Yeah, but either way, I think this is like a really good time to go long on SHIB.
Right now?
So yeah, my invalidation point though would be below the range low again at 362. As you can see, there's been quite a few wicks here, roughly 4 wicks. So there's a ton of liquidity resting below this. If we do kind of fail to go above here, come down here, this would be another good area to enter longs. In which case, I'll be looking to take profits around here again, which is probably look for a formation of a double top here around 543. Right, so two opportunities here. Either go long here, risk it, take profits around these levels here at 580 and 625, or if the 79 fib fails to hold and we come down here to the 362, there's only one reasonable explanation why this downswing would happen is because market makers just know that I'm doing this with air quotes, would want to collect liquidity resting below these lows here at below 362. In which case, I would still be willing to take up long positions for SHIB and take profits around 543. So yeah.
All right. Well, thank you, Akash, and thank you, everyone else. Have a great weekend, everybody. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.